Okay.
Hey everybody, it's Todd with Tailored Living. Just a quick video. We are finally getting a Murphy bed in our own house, so we're really excited about this. We're in the middle of putting it together, so it's definitely a mess, but I wanted to just point out a couple things that we do at Tailored Living to make this kind of system really work for you and take advantage of where some of the things that are already laid out in the room. So notably, we've got the framework of the bed in place. You can see we've got the headboard, a couple of puck lights that are going in. And then additionally, I wanted to just talk about what we do with lighting, because sometimes people aren't clear. How do we put lighting in a system like this? So we've put a couple of puck lights and wired the wires up through, and then we actually pull the wires over, and we've created a little hole over here in the corner if you just come over and take a peek. And we're running that back down. We're going to tuck it in along the wall, and we're running it all the way down through another hole behind what's going to be a drawer and a door. And at the bottom, we're taking advantage of the outlet that's already existing. So we don't have to add any new electrical. All we're doing is kind of taking it where it is and then moving things around to make that work. So we're going to wire it from here all the way up. Got puck lights there. And then we've got this cool little flexible light that's going to get pulled through the side. And that'll get mounted right here like this. And it's got a little light there. And then it's got a little USB recharging port on it. So that'll be a little reading light that'll be on this bed. On the other side, one of the things that we do a lot of times too is we just take an existing outlet that was already in the wall, and we have a little filler that we apply to make sure the door can open easily. And then the guys have skillfully pulled that through from its existing spot in the wall and pulled it right into the inside of the cabinet. So a lot of times people have questions, how do we actually do the lighting? Where are the outlets? Do they need to add an outlet? Some cases they do need to add an outlet, but generally this is how we do it. So Murphy bed in progress. That's kind of how we wire it up. We'll give you a little video of the finished product, and hope that helps you understand how we put these things together.